Kanopy review, honest user experience and features breakdown. Imagine Netflix, but free and curated with quality over quantity. That's Kanopy in a nutshell. It's the streaming platform loved by libraries and universities for bringing thoughtful cinema to your screen. But is it actually worth using? Here's my honest experience. Kanopy stands out because it's completely free as long as you have a library card or university login. You get access to thousands of films, documentaries and educational videos from studios like P.I.S. and Criterion. The catalogue leans heavily toward indie films, international cinema and thought-provoking documentaries. Most people get this wrong. They assume free means limited, but Kanopy's library is surprisingly rich and diverse. I found everything from Oscar-winning dramas to short films that never hit mainstream platforms. The interface is clean and simple, though not as flashy as Netflix or Hulu. Streaming quality is excellent, with minimal buffering even on slower connections. I also appreciated its ad-free experience, a rare perk for a free platform. The only drawback? Monthly watch limits. Most libraries cap users at around 5 plays per month. It's not ideal for binge watchers, but for film lovers who value depth over volume, it's perfect. In short, Kanopy is one of the best kept secrets in streaming. If you enjoy meaningful content and have a library card, there is no reason not to try it.